Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change PHP version of website in iPage hosting. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in hosting. Now on top you see, and then on left side you see script config. So click on it. Now we are in scripting configuration, and then you see PHP scripting. So click on manage PHP, then you see action, and then you see change PHP version. So click on it, and then you see PHP version 5.6. Now select 7.4, and then you see button set version. So click on it, and then you see PHP version updated successfully. So in this way you can change PHP version of website in iPage hosting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.